Happy Wednesday! Yeah, you saw right. I have a blue tongue. I've been eating blue candy. Shame on me. I'm sure you're not surprised. I was very excited to come to you and give you a couple of updates on some things that are going on. It's going to be in the works, but it is coming soon. And I was up till like 4:30 in the morning, super excited. Basically figured out how to incorporate my passion in life into my life. Okay, I think that I'm going to watch this, and then I'm just going to go on live and talk about hello and a little bit about who I am. Okay. Flash, middle, camera.